Hello and welcome again. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my highest recommended resources for finding images for free to add them to your own PowerPoint templates to create character animated videos within a few minutes. This website offers you characters for a lot of types, for types of businesses and entertainment that you can use for free. It gives you the PSD file to use it in Photoshop, and it gives you the PNG file to use inside PowerPoint. So the website is called vectorcharacters.net, and again, it's 100% free. So as you can see right here, these are different types of characters. And these down here are other characters, but these are paid ones. They're not free. And when you click here, you will be redirected to get those. And I actually recommend that if you want to create a video with the same character in different positions or action sets, you can actually buy it from this website. It's actually really cheap comparing to other websites. So now, instead of going to all categories, you can see, let's go to business and see what business characters does this website have. This one is good for sales video. This one's good for sales video. This one again is good for a sales video or explainer video. This one can be created as a mascot for your video. You will find a lot of characters here, female and male, and some mascots as well that you can use right now inside your PowerPoint video. So for example, if I like this character, I'm going to click on it, and this is what the character looks like. And then I go down here, this is the image that I'm going to be getting, and all I need is to go to download page and then download the file. This is the file that's going to be downloaded to my computer, and when I open it, I will have the PNG file where I will add it to the PowerPoint template. So this was one of my top resources for finding characters to add to your videos, and in the next video I will show you how I'm going to add this character to a pre-made PowerPoint template to create a sales video for one of my courses using only the templates that you have and you will have in the library of templates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.